Hello everyone, this is Terry, treating more than just orchids. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, and I look forward to showing it to you, make sure you press the subscribe button and start that notification process going. Even if you don't watch it, you're helping me out, and I know y'all love me, or else I wouldn't be there. Or here. You're here, right? Just hit it. Doesn't do you any harm if you're not. So, this is another exciting unboxing that I have been waiting on anxiously. Seems like for a week or two. So, this is, in my mind, the result of more than one purchase, so I'm not sure what's in here. So, this is from Midwest Orchids. And you see that? That should give you a bit of a clue. Even though it's just a leaf. It's the structure of the leaf and the shape. And do you ever have that moment of actual recognition of what you were actually anticipating? Either you had no clue what the plants were, but you knew that they were coming, you knew the seller, the vendor, or did I say you didn't know what the plants were? Yes. Or you knew what was coming and you have been given a picture of the exact plant, but when it arrives, the plant far exceeds what was advertised, which you have already lost your freaking mind over. Has anyone ever been on the highway and got a message from a friend, a orchid hunter, telling you, sending you something, not saying anything, just a link, and you almost run off the road trying to buy that sucker? So, I'm having one of those moments because these things don't happen that often, especially when you have a vague visual of what you're expecting. And when you open and you see this, do you know why I was flabbergasted now? You see why? I have had people tell me, the spikes blast, da 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 da. The inflorescence always blast on transport, da 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 da. And not only from Floridians, mind you, folks, but if I were having a bad day, this would surely be the cure, because it is beautiful. what you are looking at. Hold your breath, folks. This is the Sievekingia fimbriata. This beautiful orchid is native to Ecuador, Colombia, and other South America areas. Generally in lower montane forests. Gets abundant water in the growing season, a little bit less. Similar to a stanopia, but it does have its own genus. And the inflorescence arrives in late spring into summer. And there are many inflorescences that are produced, as you can see, already in various states of flower. And there are some yet to open. So this is a orchid with a long bloom season. The flowers are fragrant, but they are short-lived, depending on the conditions. They do prefer humid conditions. Like I said, lots of moisture while they are in active growth or putting out inflorescence or roots or new growths. They prefer shady location, and they can stand heat, but they prefer intermediate temperatures. Other than that, it should be an easy plant. If you have a greenhouse or a terrarium, it really does not get much larger than this. And the plants are really attractive. Spikes emerging from the base of mature pseudobulbs, typical of stanopia types. But I think this was once in epidendrum section. Let me see if it has a fragrance as it is supposed to. I don't see how it could. Flowers are just fresh out of the box, but I'm going to give it a little drink and hopefully that will freshen it up. And I do have more flowers to look forward to. Look at those buds. Again, this is Sievekingia fimbriata. An epiphytic orchid species from South and Central America. Thanks for watching. And as always, enjoy your orchids. Bye then.